Hello students, previously we have learned about different type of solar eclipses. How total solar eclipse and a partial solar eclipse takes place, we have seen that part. Today we are going to learn different type of lunar eclipses. We will see. And now take out your textbooks and turn page number 6, figure number 2.8. It is about total and partial lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs on a full moon day, but not on every full moon day. A lunar eclipse occurs if and only if the sun, the earth and the moon are in the same plane and falls in straight line. While revolving around the earth, when moon enters in the shadow of the earth. There are two types of earth shadow. Umbra is the darkest center portion and penumbra is a lighter outer part of the shadow. So while revolving, moon enters in umbra or darkest shadow. Only a part of the moon is in the shadow. Look at here. Only part of the moon is in the shadow in umbra. We see the phase of moon, and this phase of moon is called partial lunar eclipse. And when the moon completely enters in the earth's umbra, that means totally hidden in the shadow, we see total lunar eclipse. The maximum duration of a total lunar eclipse is 107 minutes. Sometime on a full moon day, partial lunar eclipse occurs when the earth moves between the sun and the moon. But these three celestial bodies, the sun, the earth and the moon, do not form a straight line in a space. When that happens, a small part of earth's shadow, a small part of earth's umbra covers only part of the moon's surface. Look at here, earth's umbra covered only part of the moon, and the rest of the moon is covered by the outer parts of the shadow called penumbra. And one more thing about total lunar eclipse. As you know that a total lunar eclipse takes place when the earth comes between the sun and the moon while revolving around the sun and covers the moon with its umbra, dark shadow. When this happens, the moon can turn red. When this happens, the moon can turn red, earning it the nickname of a blood moon. Even though Earth blocks sunlight from directly reaching the surface of the moon during a total lunar eclipse, the moon is still visible to the naked eyes from Earth's surface. This is because Earth's atmosphere bends sunlight and indirectly lights up the moon's surface.